All right, happy Mardi Gras, happy Fat Tuesday. We're gonna make some jambalaya in honor of Mardi Gras. Now this is very special to me because this is the very first meal I made for Eric and ultimately won him over. Now there's a few ways to do this. There's the right way, and then there's the sneaky way that no one needs to know about. We're doing the sneaky way. This is not a sponsored thing at all. This is just literally what we use in my house. We're gonna be using Zatarains. No one will ever know. It tastes amazing. This is the shortcut way. Not everyone has time to do the entire process. First things first. Throw our vegetables in, get those going, and then we're gonna cut up our sausage. Okay, I'm gonna stir it all up. You really want your vegetables to soften, and you'll know when they're ready, obviously. I always like my vegetables to get a little charred. I just think it adds a little flavor, but I'm one of those girls that likes everything burnt. I like my bacon burnt, I like my toast burnt, I like my waffles burnt. I just like everything burnt. I think it adds a little bit of flavor. And then the sausage. This part's, I really like the Hillshire Farms kielbasa. That's my favorite sausage. I just think that's the way to go. It's not too spicy. And I prefer a pork sausage personally. So, which I use for gumbo when I do chicken and sausage gumbo. I'll also do the sausage when I do like a vegetable medley, like on a tray that we pop in the oven. I always feel like you should have this kind of sausage on hand. I every now and then like to take my shredded chicken and toss it in with the sausage because there's so much natural flavor and oil that it'll coat your chicken and just give it that extra flavor. So we're gonna do that. It just feels right. I'm just gonna season the chicken a little bit. Smells really good. Okay, I feel like we're ready now to add our water, or you can use chicken broth, whatever feels right to you. And then our special Zatarains. In my house, I need the most shortcuts that I can get. I've got family, we're a family of 6 at this point. I need fast, quick meals, and this is one of the best shortcuts that you can do. I think getting this, it's already seasoned with all of the goodness that you need for your jambalaya, and all you're doing is adding your vegetables, your sausage, and your chicken, and that's it. And it's so delicious, it's so hearty, everyone loves it. Okay, so the rice is almost done, and during this time, I like to add the meat. So close. But I don't love to add the meat when it's completely done because I feel like it gets a little mushy. I like it just like right before because, you know, things just keep cooking. So something I really love about Louisiana is obviously we know it's the food, but when you go to like a Saints game, like they don't mess around. You're not getting a frozen chicken tender basket. You're getting a massive bin of homemade jambalaya. I remember going to a Saints game and seeing that they had, and I knew because I grew up obviously with my family cooking mostly Cajun, seeing the jambalaya being like, this is made from scratch. It was probably some of the best jambalaya I've ever had in my life. At a Saints game, at a football game. Not a chicken tender basket, jambalaya. I mean, it just doesn't get better than that. Louisiana really cares about their food. All right, we're gonna taste it. It's so close, but it's not ready yet. And if you feel like for some reason you need more liquid, more chicken broth, more water, because it's like, you know, evaporated more than you want it to, go for it. But I think we're in a really good place. So I'm gonna cover it one more time. Okay, we're gonna taste it. It's too hot. It's perfect. The rice is cooked to perfection. Chicken, the sausage, everything. It is ready to serve. Hey! Here you.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Hey, Bubs, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Laissez le bon temps rouler.
What?
Here's your fork.